Battery went to take a charge. Got our jump pack. Sounded like it almost had no compression. Get some gas to put in there. There we go. Okay. On 0 psi currently. I'll put that right there. Show you guys what we got on that. That is not what we're wanting. Go ahead and try it again. Back to 0. I'll hook that back up. We definitely got no compression. Let's see what we get on here. See, 80, 85, 90. Yep, got 80. Right above the 75 right there. We got the 80. So this engine sadly needs rebuilt. This wire wasn't connected, and then there's a few things that make me think that someone was already in here. Like, not all the bolts or fairings were on there, so we'll see. It definitely looks like a mess down there. You can see how dirty that bottom end is. So we're gonna go ahead and do a wet compression test with oil. Put a cap or two in there. To figure out whether it's the rings on the engine that are bad, or if it's the valves and everything else, the head. Find out if it's not the piston rings and if it's the valves or not. Kind of neat key, huh? Turn on. Now, if it's higher compression, it will be the piston rings. If it's lower compression with the oil in there, it'll be the head gasket or valves. So that was way higher compression. So that tells us it is the piston ring. So what that did was the oil went in there, it sealed around the piston rings to make it basically have compression with that oil. We got over 180. So another sign was it was fouled, and then when I went to trade it, the guy, the video he sent, before trading, when it was supposedly running, or the previous owner before him had it running, it had a lot of white and blue smoke, which would also be most likely a rings burning oil. So the real question was the trade still worth it? I don't know. We'll find out. All kinds of oil. Another thing I noticed was that I believe that's the headlight plug. That's not plugged in. And then like this brake was all loose. Like the bolt on it. The choke is frozen, so we'll have to look at that. Got the wires here that go to the brake reservoir, or supposed to, because I'm pretty sure it's supposed to have like brake light. The other side, they just cut this half shaft right there, so needs a new one of those. And if you haven't already, go subscribe to the channel, hit that button, hit the like button, because we make alright content around here. So thank you guys for watching.